Carlo, could you tell me what would you do, or how do you see a transformation at a very high level? Like, so let's suppose that you get a call and they tell you, "Hey, Carlo, we have this company, we have some teams that have been working in traditional ways of working forever, but now we want to be agile, right? And we want you to lead the transformation of this company." What milestones or what process do you see happening in order to get them from waterfall to agile at some point, right? I mean, it's
Okay.
a 2 hour answer question, right? But if we could just look at the high level picture, how it looks like, could you let the audience know what do you think?
Yeah, yeah. Well, when you think about an agile transformation or in general organizational transformation, what you are actually thinking about is basically change again. So you have to manage change. And
Mhm.
in terms of change management, change, if you are talking about one person, a team, or an entire organization, takes effort. Think about
Mhm.
the last thing you have to change in your life. Maybe because an external input, okay, which is what most people in an organization would experience moving from waterfall to agile. There will be someone saying, "Now we are going agile." So there will be someone else telling you to change the way you operate today,
Mhm.
and this actually takes effort. So the thing that I found most effective, which I love also to use as a framework, is also a known framework, is ADKAR. It's basically a 5 phases loop which you go around that allow you to build a sequential, let's say, state of mind of the whole organization, which you can assess, okay, to drive the change. And basically, ADKAR stands for awareness. So you work in the first phase to build awareness about the change. So like traditional things like going to the CEO who's asking you, we want to go agile, and you say, why you want to go agile? And when you are going to be agile, what's going to be different from now? And
Mhm.
what are the results that will be different? What are you expecting? Is this feasible? Is there something else about achieving the result which is not being agile? So you build the awareness on that side. On the other side, you build the awareness about what it means to be agile and how you can achieve that. Then the fact that you make it clear doesn't mean you have made the change. So you go through the second step, which is build the desire. Okay. So the fact that many people know that smoke, are aware that smoke is dangerous for your health, doesn't make them wish or desire to stop. Okay.
Mhm.
So now you have to build a desire. What is the purpose of that? Why do we want to do that? How do you inspire everyone else to actually align with why you want to be agile?
Mhm.
Once you have done that, then people, let's say you are successful in doing that. So people are aware of what it means and aware of what they are. They have the desire to actually improve. And usually, for example, in software engineers, this is quite common that they want to be more agile because they actually love the idea of becoming higher performing and things like that.
Mhm.
And then you have to build the K of the ATKAR framework, which is the knowledge. So, like you teach them Scrum, you teach them Kanban, you teach them the framework, the tools, design pattern, uh, mm, all of those things, TDD, BDD, all of those things that you can actually apply to build that agility. And
Mhm.
then once they know, you coach them to build the ability, which is the A of the ATKAR. Okay. And then you
Mhm.
reinforce because you have to make this an habit. And for example, if you think about a normal human being, on average, it takes 21 to 30 days to build a habit after repeating the things mechanically and rationally. So you have to do this for the whole organization. And that's where the reinforcement comes on. And then things changes, the context changes, and you go back to awareness and new desires and things, and you go in a loop.
Got it. Thank you, Carlo.
And most importantly, you do this in agile way. So you do it iteratively and incrementally, learning as much as you can in the process.